mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. June 18, 2024, Tuesday Racing. Starting time, alas 5 ng hapon. Muli, katulad ng dati, pag-araw ng Martes, group based on time. Ang diskarte ng handicapping batay sa accumulative computed time ng mga entries sa 1,400 meter distance. Race number 1, first choice number 3, Little Annie. Second choice number 4, Red Scorpion. Race 2, first choice number 2, Axis Deviation. Second choice number 1, Pulang Lupa. Race 3, only choice number 3, Unafraid. Race 4, first choice number 3, Sayaw Kikay. Second choice number 4, Street Queen. Race 5, first choice number 2, Shine. Second choice number 6, Lightning Bolt. Race 6, first choice number 5, Alindog. Second choice number 6, Make or Break. Last race, first choice and only choice number 4, Kipitaki. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!